I'm Matthew SoSticky. I'm here at Flame Festival 2025. I'm here to show you how to do a split time, opposite direction, 6-pedal anti-spin with double step. I'm going to start with both of my thumbs facing up. All that's going to happen is they're going to static spin in butterfly. And what that means is they're going to go opposite directions, but it's going to look like these two ends go in the same direction like this. Okay? Now I'm here with both of my thumbs down. I'm going to take these and I'm going to anti-spin outwards. Okay? Come back to a thumbs up position. And I'm going to do the exact same thing, but in the opposite direction. So I'm going to go this way with a flip. I'm going to push my anti-spin out that way and end in a thumbs up. And this thumbs up is how you check yourself and make sure you're in the correct position every time you come through the move. So it's a flip, push. Flip, push. Anytime that your thumb is facing outwards, the staff is going to be inside your arm. And then I'm going to turn sideways so that you can see it. So I'm going to do my flip, push. So my thumb is facing outwards. The staff is outside my arm. This side has my thumb facing towards me and is inside my arm. And that's going to be true on the other side of the pattern when I get over to it. So to start it over, do the flip, the push, go back to the beginning, flip, push. And now the opposite is true. The other hand is with thumbs facing towards me and is on the inside. And then this one is on the outside with my thumb facing outwards. And you just return to the original position. Thanks for watching my video. Hope to see you at next year's Flame. Bye-bye.